This is how to run a credit card sale in the Omnique software with 360 payments. So once you have an estimate you'd like to charge, from within the estimate, click Create Invoice. From here, choose Process Charge. This will then light up the credit card terminal with the amount for the customer to pay. Once the transaction is complete, the terminal will beep and let you know to remove the card and print a receipt for the customer to sign. Then this will update in the software, and it will show the card type and the total charged. It gives you the option to refund if you'd like, and then you can complete the invoice. This will also generate an invoice copy that you can print for the customer. Thank you for watching.